Hi, I'm Christy Perickley and welcome to Tune Up Tuesday. Today I'm going to quickly show you how to create a parcel search using GeoThink. Let's get started.
Once you are in the Search tab, this drop-down will show you which layer you are searching. This first box is where you create your location-based filters. You can either use Draw Polygon to draw a boundary on the map, or you can use Proximity Search to search within a distance of an existing feature. For this example, let's choose major roads. Just draw the area you want to search, specify a distance, let's do a quarter mile here, and create the filter. This second box is where we will add search criteria for the different parcel attributes. For example, let's use this first dropdown to pick calculated acres greater than 5. We can add another rule to the search and choose calculated acres less than 100. Then we just run the search. And there you have it.